Welcome to Digital Learning. Myself, Dr. Hemakumar. In this video, I am going to give some introduction to Advanced Encryption Standards. Advanced Encryption Standards is AES. The Advanced Encryption Standard is a symmetric block zipper chosen by the US government to protect classified information. AES is implemented in software and hardware throughout the world to encrypt sensitive data. It is essential for government computer security, cybersecurity, and electronic data protection. The encryption phases of AES can be broken into three phases: the initial round, main round, and final round. Advanced encryption standards as designed by Vincent Ridgman and first published in 1998, derived from SQUICE. Successors are Anibir Grand Cray Kalyan. It has been certified by AES winner CRYPTREC NESSIE Its zipper details are: the key size in AES is 128, 192 or 256 bits. The block size is 128 bits. The structure is substitution permutation network. Number of rounds is 10 or 12 or 14 depending on key size. The criteria defined by NIST for selecting AES fall into three areas, that is security, cost, implementation. General design of AES encryption zipper. 128-bit plain text is passed in an algorithm. As an input of 128-bit plain text, it is passed in a pre-round transformation. In this pre-round transformation, round key of 128-bit is applied as a key of a NOT, K0. And after the pre-round transformation, it is passed to a round 1, round 2 up to round of NR, slightly different. So number of R, it depends whether it may be a 10 rounds, 12 rounds or 14 rounds. While using a rounds, if there is a 10 round, the key size will be 128. If it is a 12 round, it is a 192. If it is 14, it will be a 256 key size. The relation between the number of rounds and zipper key size is depend on NR. Actually, the key expansion is the zipper key will be a 128 or 192 or 256 bits. Using this key encryption expansion in each round from K0 to KNR is designed, and the outputted after the round of NR, the output will be 128 bit of zipper text. This is a general block diagram which shows how the encryption is done using a AES. Overall structure of encryption and decryption in advanced encryption standards is like the key encryptions. So in a plain text is given, and using for the plain text add round key is done. For that the sub bytes, shift rows and mix columns and add round key is all four these components is done for that particular bits, and after this permutation it is considered as a one round. It is continued till the NR minus 1 rounds, and finally it reaches the NR rounds, and here substitution bytes, shift key, shift rows and add round keys is done. After that we get the zipper text. For that zipper text we have to pass for the add round keys. After adding add round keys, it is inverse shift rows, inverse shift, sub bytes add round key, and inverse mix column is done in a round 1, and again this key expansion is followed in a reverse pattern up to a round of NR times. In the round of NR, only 3 steps are followed. That is a inverse shift rows, after that inverse substitution bytes, and then add round key, which generate the plain text. Encryption with AES. The encryption phase of AES can be broken into 3 phases: the initial round, the main round, and the final round. All of the phases use the same sub-operations in different combinations as follows. Initial round, add round key is used. In a main round, substitution bytes, shift rows, mix column, add round keys. The 4 steps are used in a main round. And final round, again there will be 3 things: the substitute bytes, shift rows, and add round keys are done. While doing a decryption in AES, to decrypt an AES encrypted ciphertext, it is necessary to undo each stage of the encrypted operation in the reverse order in which they are applied. The 3 stages of decryption are as follows. Reverse final round. Here the 3 stages are applied: add round key, shift row, substitution bytes. Inverse main round: add round key, mixture column, shift rows, substitution bytes. And finally, inverse initial round, where add round key is done, where we get a plain text. Variant of AES. There are 3 variants of AES based on different key size: 128, 192 and 256 bits. All 3 variants of AES use a 128-bit block size, only the key size differs. The overall structure of the encryption stage of AES is identical for all 3 variants, but the number of rounds varies for 128, 192 and 256 bit variants of 10 round, 12 round and 14 round respectively. The key size is different for each variant. Advantages and disadvantages of AES. One of the primary advantages of AES is its ubiquitous. Since it is defined as a standard used by the US government, it is supported by most vendors. Also, it is relatively fast in both hardware and software. The 3 possible key lengths supported by AES allow user to pick a trade-off between speed and security. Increased key length increases the execution time of both encryption and decryption. At this time, all 3 key lengths are considered secure, and the best known attacks against AES reduce effective key length by at most 3 bits. AES uses a single S box for all bytes in all round. In contrast, DES uses 8 distinct S box, which increases implementation requirement. AES has a very simple key schedule and simple encryption operations. Many AES attacks are based upon the simplicity of this key schedule, and it is possible that one day an attack will be created to break AES encryption.